Alright guys, today we're going to talk about diagnosing the fuel pump on a 2007 Dodge Nitro. They do have tipping problems, which is referring to the actual fuse panel under the hood. But we're going to show you how to just eliminate the tipping problem and go straight to whether it's the fuel pump or not. Now located right here, directly behind this relay, is going to be a fuse. I'll get around here and get you. See it? That fuse, that's the fuel pump fuse right there. So we're going to run a jumper wire from that fuse, just plug it in, over here to the positive side of the battery. That's going to send power to the fuel pump. With the key off, the key on, I don't care. This is just going to send power directly to the fuel pump. So you'll want to run a jumper from the positive to that fuse right there. Okay? Now after you've done that, you'll come around here to the passenger side rear, is what I preferred to do with your voltmeter. And up underneath the car here, you're going to like this part. Right above the drive shaft, we have a harness that goes into the tank area. I'm going to try and focus on that better for you. It's not the best focusing job. There we go, a little bit better. Anyway, you'll have 4 wires that run into this tank assembly, and they're accessible directly above the drive shaft. What you'll want to do is hook the positive to the blue and orange wire. You want to hook the negative to the black wire. And with that jumper in place in the fuse box to the battery positive terminal, you should get 12 volts. In my case, I'm getting 14 because I'm hooked up to the battery charger. But if you have power and ground right here, blue and orange, black, that's feeding the pump. So if you don't have a pump running while you're doing this test, it's going to be the fuel pump, and your tipping is okay. Good luck, guys.